if you listen to Gachagua's almost 140 paragraphs, there were paragraphs of bitterness, conspiracy theories, unsubstantiated accusations, and political fiction directed at President William Ruto and this broad-based administration. Ordinarily, such a performance from somebody who has confessed to the country that he was an arts performer when he was in school would not merit a response. But when a former holder of the second highest office in the Republic casually accuses the institutions and individuals of murder, assassinations, theft, abduction, and corruption without presenting evidence, the record ought and must be set straight. And that is why we opted to respond to Mr. Gachagua. And if we begin with the irony of all this, Mr. Gachagua is attempting to take stock of the 4 years of the Ruto administration, an administration that he served for a record 2 years of those 4 years. He sat in cabinet, he sat in National Security Council meetings, and he defended this government, its policies and its record, and even defended that unfortunate act in Embakasi when he attempted to assassinate the former Prime Minister, the late Honorable Raila Odinga. You will all recall all the acts of goonism perpetuated by under Rigathi and directed by him would always be planned by him when President William Ruto was outside the country. That is what he did that day he attempted to assassinate the former Prime Minister. That is what he did when he directed goons under the command of 2 members of parliament from Embakasi who are working with him today. Yes. The same members of parliament who are under investigations for deaths in all Kalau that Rigathi turned around to accuse other people of. Those goons that attacked the Kenyatta farm in Ruiru. Again, I'll remind Gachagua, as I have reminded him severally, I sat with him in Annex building on Harambe Avenue when he was planning for the attack of the Kenyatta farm in Ruiru.